Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the problem of the day, copy set bits in range. So in this problem, we have been given two numbers x and y and a range L and R, which is in the range 1 to 31. The L and R lies within 1 to 31, both inclusive. And all we have to do is to copy the set bits of y into x in the range of L and R. So we don't get the intuition of this problem, let me walk you through the very first test case in which we have x equals to 44 and y equals to 3, right? And the range we have been given is 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5. So let us first represent the 44 in the binary. So it is 101100, right? And this is 44, and the 3 is represented as 00001 and 1, right? So all we have to do is to copy these set bits of 3. So this is y and this is x. So set bits of 3 to y. So our result becomes 101111, which is nothing but 47, isn't it? Yes, correct. So what are we actually doing here is to simply taking taking the set bits of this range, right? For example, uh, again, let me write the test case 101100. So if we were given the range from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we were given any other set bits here, for example, at 5, so we would have copied it, right? Correct. So what are we doing here is taking these bits and doing the OR operation or copying it into RB, right? As simple as that. And then returning it the modified B, right? So that's all for this problem. Now let me code this solution and you will get the intuition of the problem, how it is working. So what I will be using is the bit set data structure of size 31. Suppose let me name it as, so if you don't know bit set, it is nothing but an array of bool, but each bool value is not stored in a separate byte. Instead, byte is bit set is optimized. So let us let us look at the example in which we have initialized the bit set of bits 8 and we have passed the initial value 15. So what we have got is the binary representation of the number 15, right? So that's what I'm going to use, and it will be of size x, right? And again, I will be using another bit set named b, which will have the size y, right? Now I'll be iterating over the from L to R. So my L would start from L minus 1. Since I will be iterating over this array, I'll be making changes in this array, right? So for arrays, the array follows zero based indexing, right? So we'll be using L minus 1 because L starts from 1 and R ends at 31, right? So we'll start from L minus 1 and go until R and increment I. Now, if I have my A of I, which means, sorry, A is storing the X value, right? A is storing the X value. So we will have if D of I. If any of the bits in, so this was B, B array, B's bit set, and this is A bit set, right? So if we have any set bits in D, alright, so in the range L to R, if we have any set bits in the range L to R, then we will simply copy it into our A of I, right? Then A of I equals to 1. And while returning, we will return A dot to underscore v long. So what this function does is converts the binary bit set into number, quite the opposite. So for example, if you have the bit set of suppose 10, the to long function, what it will do is to convert, first of all, the b will give you this binary value, right? But the to long function will convert this binary into an unsigned long integer. I hope you get it. Now let us compile and run. So it is working fine. Let us submit. All right. Thank you.